in the office on the wall.
He has put up in the office on the wall. And nobody knows I'm a lesbian.
I bought you that.
You did buy me that.
Where did Chris actually throw up?
I don't know where he threw up.
I don't
was
like
in Becky's room.
No, I really don't like puke, so I hope it's not somewhere where I have to see it and like smell it. Because I would actually help.
I don't know, I fucked off. I fucked it. He said,
Oh,
I'm gonna be sick, so I ran downstairs.
Danny, I'm really not very sober.
I'm not sober, I've been drinking.
Dave's gone mental.
Boyfriend's been sick in my dad's office.
Oh, I'm filming. Whereabouts?
Seriously, I'm not going anywhere near it, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm filming all of you. Oh, no,
Danny, Chris wants to say sorry to you.
I don't think he should. Can you position his head over a toilet? Oh, and he's got to get coats and shoes and bags. Coats and shoes and bags.
Coats and shoes and bags.
It's coat time.
It's coat time.
Fuck, we're not drunk. Hey, Danny, we have to be able to be... right, I've read this note and it says, right, it says... No, that's the wrong note. It says, Pav, 15 minutes, gets bus stop. If under influence, would not be allowed on. Right, what do we do? In there.
In there.
But if we can, like, stand up, it'll be alright.
Dave, say hi!
Hello, I
Upstairs.
don't give a shit at the moment.